Good to everyone. Our topic for today is all about the experience of the web. But I discuss about the multimedia. What is multimedia? Multimedia is the use of a combination of different content forms to convey information or create an engaging experience. So, multimedia enhances communication by combining different forms of media to create a richer, more immersive experience. So, let's move on of components of multimedia. Text, image, audio, video, and animation. Text, written word used to convey information. Image, visual representation like photos or drawing. Audio, sound recording such as music or speech. Video, moving image with or without sounds. Animation, image or objects manipulated to create movement. So let's move on of roles of multimedia in daily life. Education. Multimedia makes learning more interactive and engaging through videos, animation, and virtual simulation. Example, interactive online courses with video, lectures, animation, quizzes, and image to help students learn more effectively. Next, communication. Visual aids and presentations help deliver message more effectively. Example, video calls on platform like Zoom enable face-to-face communication across distances, enhancing personal and professional interaction. Then lastly, entertainment. Multimedia is the backbone of the entire entertainment industry like movies, music, games, and online games. Example, video games use multimedia elements to create compelling narratives and interactive experiences. So let's proceed to the benefits of multimedia. They have three benefits. First, enhance engagement and understanding. Second, support interactions and flexible learning. Third, makes information more accessible. So first, enhance engagement and understanding. Multimedia uses visual, audio, and animation to capture attention and make complex idea easier to grasp. For example, in online science class, the instructor might use animation and interactive simulation to show how the water cycle works. Second, support interactive and flexible learning. Learners can interact with content at their own pace, using videos, quizzes, and simulation for better learning experiences. For example, a student can use an educational app to learn new vocabulary in a foreign language whenever they have free time, such as during a commute or while waiting for an appointment. Third, makes information more accessible. Multimedia allows content to be shared widely and adaptive for various guides and translation. For example, a student with visual impairments may use a screen reader to listen the ebook or lecture slides. So, let's proceed to the challenge. Requires technology access, content overload, copyright concerns. So, let's proceed to the advantages of multimedia. enhances communication, increases engagement, improves learning outcomes, offers interactive experiences. So let's proceed to the conclusion. Multimedia is essential in the IT era. It transforms how we learn, communicate, and entertain, must be used wisely and responsibly. That's all. Thank you.